All right, I feel like sometimes you guys are already a little bit tired as I'm showing you only the tourist areas. So today we decided to show you more into Indonesian vibe I like, because this is like a fish market mix between local Balinese and the local Indonesian from other islands of Indonesia who are trading here. And overall we're gonna show you what's cracking around here today. Fish market in Jimbaran. So normally mostly locals coming here as the traders and as the customers, for example, but also visitors from other islands of Indonesia, also sometimes Balinese, and also sometimes international tourists, visitors. For example, you guys would like to come to experience something different, something local, you could come here as well. During the pandemic was a little bit different vibe. Now after pandemic it's a little bit different vibe as well. The sellers are on the beach, on the parking area, and also inside the buildings. Over there, there are fishes, obviously.
Here we are in Pasar Ikan Kedonganan. So this place is actually famous for the fish market, and later on you can bring your own fish to the restaurant and then you will cook there in the restaurant. But today we will show you how it is, just like behind us. Also there are, some international tourists who wants to, feel the local vibes here. But yeah, let's see how it is inside the market. First of all, whenever you come to this market, make sure that you are ready with the smell, because this market is very smelly.
Yeah, and the cleanliness is also a little bit, very Asian and very third world country style. So keep it in mind. But this is, obviously Bali, Indonesia, so you have to expect this is not gonna be like in Europe, for example. And when you're coming, this is it. So there's some fishes here and quite a lot of visitors, but mostly Indonesian from other islands of Indonesia, as I can see that already. I wanted to show you a little bit of the seafood here, like prawns here.
Oh, they have eyes in it.
Yeah, clams, stuff like this one. Oysters and the other seafood stuff. If you like it, you can find over here. And also situation inside the market is like this one. It's quite a lot of people, by the way. Also the lobsters are here and there. Any kind of, and the clams and the sellers and the prawns. But the prawns are small, local. And yeah, this is it. This is actually how does it look like here inside. Also, there are some nice looking tunas here. So why you touch like you're scared? You're not gonna bite, huh?
Oh my god, it's so big.
That's the tuna and that's the big mahi-mahi fish. Always remember that's the head of mahi-mahi and tuna. Actually, this is tuna, this is mahi-mahi, and this is barracuda, because looks like barracuda, that's for sure. And overall, in case of the house that looks inside the market, one more time, this is how it looks like. Some nice, decent looking fish, what I don't know the name. And the snapper.
Yang ini apa?
Ini kerapu merah.
Kerapu merahnya berapa sekilo?
75.
75.
Ya, Napoleonnya sama
75.
75k per kg.
Ini
of
ikan
the
apa?
red one.
Anu yang tiga kerapu merah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Wow, like I told you, this place is, packed of people. And look at this face. This is called kakatua fish. I think that I read it somewhere that, saying that we are not allowed to eat this fish because this fish is actually protect the ocean from the,
Tell to
rubbish.
this lady. Why this fish have a yellow thing over there? Something different. And the prawns. Okay, let's get out, yeah?
Yeah, let's get out.
How was your experience in the market, saying? You still can
Let's
walk
get out.
straight?
Let's get out. The smell is
This is
incredible.
like a little skipyard behind also.
Yeah.
But didn't you notice as before, during pandemic, wasn't as dirty as it's now? Why is like
Much dirtier.
now, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know why it's like that, but that's
Okay,
also...
maybe-
This is like a almost good for some global disease.
Okay,
Almost like in Wuhan.
Let's go there, honey.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, this is it. And also the tourists from other islands of Indonesia driving here. P is Banyuwangi. Hello. And the P is Banyuwangi as well. So yeah, but also some international visitors as well. But they just came and go out. I don't know why. Going to the beach, and also they selling by the beach. Also, here we go, stuff like this one Overall, what is this? This one is looks actually
Oh,
like
they have a shark,
Yeah.
baby shark.
shark.
Oh. Ini apa, Bu? Oh, cumi. And
No, but
shark.
this one is shark.
This one, a shark. Yeah. Hiu, yeah, hiu.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're so happy, and this is it inside. Also by the beach, and also the dried fish here.
Oh.
Little bit of the flies as the bonus. They're eating it, but you can also buy it if you would like to. If you would like to have it. This one looks probably good even. Just throw the flies. Oh, quite a lot. Okay, let's go.
Honey, look.
What is that?
Ini ikan apa, Ibu? Oh, ikan pari.
Ikan pari.
Ikan pari. Are you okay, honey?
Honestly, I've been in many extreme places, but this place becoming so extreme nowadays. I really feel like I'm done with this. Wanted to show you. No offense, but it's like something went wrong here. During pandemic wasn't that bad. Luckiest technology is not still advanced and you cannot feel it.
You cannot smell it.
You cannot smell it, not yet. One day maybe in the future, but not yet. And overall, this is the beach. What I
Yes,
gonna
this is
tell you?
Kedonganan Beach, basically white sand beach, and yeah, and then with the fisherman boat everywhere.
Yeah, not bad, not bad. Let me know if you would like to come and buy something here. Fortunately, I eat already McDonald's this afternoon. Not really interested to eating fish today, but it's no dinner time yet, anyways.
Yeah, so we will stroll around probably over there to showing you how it is.
Overall, that's the situation from the beach. The kids flying with the kites. Look at this one. This looks happy. Local kids always and the boats. The situation like this one. That is actually where is the harbor? Yeah, and the beach also, right? So if you go more further over there, there are all the restaurants where you could buy the fish and grill it, or buy in the market and grill it. Over there, we used to do it during the pandemic. So if you're really interested, you can see on the other videos, and there is the Uluwatu, also the GWK is just facing over there. And that's the little bit of the ocean situation. Some adults also playing the kites. This kite make the special sound because of the string. Actually, the kite is like national sport in Indonesia, I could say, in Bali especially.
So over there, if you can see the white building and blue with the bean bags, basically that is the Ibiza in Bali. That's another beach club actually close by the Kedonganan Jimbaran beach. So what I can say is that in South Bali, in every single corner, it's just like the beach club, it's just like a mushroom growing, right?
Yeah, but
Every single
if
corner.
people wants to have something local, just behind this boat, there are the market where we visited. So you have a choice, either beach club there or there the local market, your choice. Yeah. Also some fishermen with his sons doing something. They got some small fishes there. So it's also cool. Through the boats, we're going back to the area where they're grilling. And there are some people already enjoying the fish. Hold on a second. I will get, like this one. So it's behind the parking area. Actually, people enjoying their supper. And this is it. And okay, I will show you. This is where you can already find one of few warungs where you can bring your own fish, pay a little fee, and you can grill it. Basically, this is it. This is how does it look like. Also, I think those warungs during the pandemic, they were slightly busier than now. I have a personal feeling like that. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's strange, isn't it? But this is how does it look like. We were also there actually last time eating. That was like over a year ago, during the pandemic, I remember.
And Damian always get sick after that.
Little bit only. But we were somewhere eating here, but only one is open recently, and over two, three are closed. And this is it. This is the street already behind, outside the market. There will be the first restaurants where you can actually potentially grill your fish. One here and more further going Actually, you can go up to Pantai Muaya where we used to film, and this is it. Quite a lot of parking area now, parking spaces, but overall this is it. You can also get to the beach, but also this is attraction more into local. So B is from Jakarta, this is Denpasar, okay, but this is Jakarta. They're in S, somewhere in Java. This is B, BMW B. This is AB. So all of those cars most likely are coming from other islands of Indonesia. There's only few Westerners actually here. But if you are tired of the tourist areas and would you like to try something different, something local, especially local market regarding the fishes and something, this one is still the most popular one. Well, that's it. This is how it is. You can let me know if you would like to try maybe tomorrow. And well, we will see you tomorrow on next video as always. See ya. Take care.
Thanks for watching. Bye.